Hey there, this is Ryan Cooley. I'm going to take you through installing the Keycloak SSO option for ProcessMaker 4.2. You can see here I'm on the admin settings page under the SSO tab. I'm going to click on Keycloak and go to this new tab that comes up. You can see there are 5 different configuration options here: the base URL, the client ID, client secret, the realm, and the redirect. So let's go ahead and start with base URL. I'm going to go to my Keycloak server. Generally, this is going to vary depending on your configuration, but generally the base URL is going to be your domain name /auth. So you can see I'm already there. I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to paste that into the base URL setting. Again, that's going to differ according to your configuration, but in general, that is usually what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now I need to find the client ID and the client secret. So that's going to be under the Client's Configuration tab. I'm going to find the client that I want, which is going to be ProcessMaker. You can see the client ID in this case is simply ProcessMaker, so I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that into ProcessMaker. Now I need to find the client secret. That's going to be under the Credentials tab. You see here you can choose different client authenticators. We have chosen client ID and secret. You can also regenerate it if you need to, but I'm going to go ahead and copy the one that we already have. And I'm going to paste that into the client secret. Now we need to find the realm. So the realm generally is just going to be the name of the realm, which you'll find under the realm settings. So in this case, it's also just ProcessMaker. Now at the bottom of the page here, you see we have the redirect URL, which is read-only, but that means I'm going to copy it and paste it into my Keycloak settings. So let's go back to Keycloak. You'll see if I go back to the clients page under settings here, if I scroll down, there's an option called valid redirect URIs. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in and then save it. Now that those are all filled out, I'm going to go back to the login page of ProcessMaker. You can see it has added the Keycloak option here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and log in. And you can see it has redirected me. If I go back to the users page, you can see it has created a brand new account based on the Keycloak information, and that is how you configure Keycloak for ProcessMaker 4.2.